Should not be a car on the street while the runners are on the streets, right?
Wrong.
It's really good that they do this to remember. Okay, so we got our jars calm, the road blocked. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. So yeah, I got my yellow vest on. No, I'm not protesting out in France. Helping out public service, our ham radio group. We do these we help with communications on certain things. This is the tower to tunnel race, or I should say run. Got my trusty Anytone walkie-talkie here. We're just gonna be operating simplex. We're all gonna be within a few miles because it's just like a circle route. So I've got a station where I'm positioned where I just gotta make sure everybody turns the right way. In case anybody needs assistance, I can call it in immediately, get support. Should be good. We've got about 400 runners. It's over in Wake Forest. A nice day. I'm a little bit late. I gotta get going here. 7 o'clock. It's also a Cars and Coffee. But you know, I've done the car thing so much, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You know, if you like the content, you gotta hit the thumbs up. If you don't hit the thumbs up and you don't put comments, YouTube does not promote my videos, and I just see, like, you know, 20, 30 views. So I'm getting really low views on the car stuff. So go back, watch my car stuff, hit the thumbs up, because otherwise I'm just not gonna do them anymore. I'm gonna start doing more of the ham radio stuff and some drone videos and stuff. So anyway, let me know, because yeah, forgot to shave. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, should be a great turnout. Stick around, let's see what we find. Okay, they're setting up. We need some assistance here. I'm gonna meet up with my group first. And
Should not be a car on the street while the runners are on the streets, right?
Wrong.
No, there was last year.
Yeah, so if you stand in the road, that's why I said the glowy vest, because then people will actually see you instead of, you know,
Maybe.
use you for a speed bump.
Did you ever see Death Race 2000?
Yes.
Yeah.
so we're just all having fun here. I just noticed I got this thing all tangled up in my headset, so whatever. I won't lose my GoPro. See, this is all from the Twin Towers, in case you don't know. Because I didn't know at first, so yeah. A fireman. It's really good that they do this to remember. Fire trucks here. So we got our jars calm, the road blocked. So I think I'm gonna need to raise this up. Got a ton of volunteers here today.
I can never get enough, falling for your love. It goes on and on. Chilling, feeling goosebumps, and we're just having fun. We're on the run.
think I'm gonna hit the restroom real quick before we get going here. Whoops, sorry. Going on inside. Volunteers. Oh, there he is. See, he's eating. I see why you're in here. Bye. That's Chris. So if you're in the Raleigh area and you want to volunteer before CEC, okay, I am at my location. This is called Spot 12. I'm to direct the runners that way. And that is my responsibility. When you volunteer on one of these events, you should have a longer antenna button. This course is so small, I don't have the extended antenna. Wear a headset like this so you don't miss any calls. Otherwise, you gotta kind of listen. I'll pick the HT up. How you doing? You gotta pick the HT up to your ears. That's not good. It can get kind of noisy too. So the earpiece is really good. The other thing you want to have is a spare battery pack in case for some reason your battery just doesn't last like it normally does. You got another battery pack. In most cases you won't need it. Most important thing is have fun. It's not work, it's voluntary. So have a good time. Almost forgot. Bring a snack, bring some water. Some more volunteers coming down. We'll have to see how many runners. I was just chatting with somebody at one of the other locations. He said last year they had a pretty good turnout. So we'll have to see how this works out today. Great day out though. It's not too hot. So should be pretty good. I've got a real easy spot to manage. Not a whole lot gonna happen here. I think they just want me to report when the first runner comes through. Setting up a drink station here. Untangle this thing, I think. It should be a pretty good turnout. Let's see what happens. The other thing is if you don't hear anything for a little while, you should check the frequency on your radio. Make sure that it didn't change. If you've got a lock button, it's a good time to hit the lock button. Make sure it doesn't bump when you're moving it around on your belt. I'm going to take my headset off so you guys can hear some of the communications when it happens. Doing the moment of silence shortly.
At 9:11, I will let you know once it does. K4HNT.
So K4HNT, he's actually on a mobile radio on his motor scooter. He's disabled, has a disability, so he can help out as well. We have spots for everybody if you want to help out. Here's the bagpipes. I don't know if it'll come out on the GoPro though. So this is how I look. You can't miss this vest. I got a shady spot. Normally I like a shady spot, but it's kind of cool out this morning, so I'd like to stand in the sunny spot. So things are just about to get going here. I said this already, but I am spot 12. Neck control is just called control. So I'll say, I'll call them control. This is who I am, spot 12. I'll make my call, what I got going on, and sometimes I'll wait. Like if things get busy, I'll just go spot 12 to control spot 12. Wait for them to acknowledge. When he acknowledges, then I'll go with my traffic, what I have to send him for information. And then when I'm done, I'll say spot 12 clear, and then throw out my call sign. So that's how it works. It's supposed to start at 9:11. 9:11 right now. So yeah, you should be able to see them. They're not going to come down this hill. They're going to turn right by that yellow JARSCOM truck there. See if I see any runners. I don't know if you can see with this GoPro if it zooms in that far. I'll try to zoom in when I edit this.
Control to all stations. Runners are away. Please let me know when the first runners get to your spot and when the chase car gets there. Control clear. J4H&T.
Okay, I can see the police car kind of directing them. Okay, here they come. The sign right there, I guess. Wow, there's a big crowd.
First runners here.
Copy. J4H&T.
J04 VIA.
Are you guys a ham operator? Do you do public service, community service? Let me know. Put it down in the comment below. I'd like to know. Don't put your call sign out. You don't put your call sign out. Just say that you're a ham or not. Some people are CBers or GMRS operators. I started off with CB. I've got GMRS. I got a GMRS license, got a ham radio license. I like all forms of communication. I don't care what it is. I use everything. Yeah, pretty good turnout. So this radio that I'm using is a Anytone 878. It's a FM and digital radio. It runs a mode called DMR. And
Spot 4 control. Go ahead. Spot 4, first runners are passing. Control copy. Thank you, Spot 4, J4H&T.
But a good little radio to have if you just need it for around the house or whatever, communicating. Just these little FRS radios. They're on UHF, line of sight. They work great. Car-to-car communications, and yeah, it's good to have. I have a GMRS. It's a little bit more power, but when I go on FRS frequencies, it's low power as well. And yeah, car-to-car communications, you get like about a half a mile, quarter mile, because you're inside the car. Line of sight though, if you're way up on a hill, they'll go really, really far. UHF frequencies is very low absorption, but when you go through trees and hills and stuff like that, it gets wiped out real quick. But other than that, it works pretty good. So those are good to have. Even if you got a ham license, I recommend you have a FRS radio as well, because you got to hand somebody one and they're not a licensed
Spot 5,
operator.
runners are arriving and starting to pass. November Yankee 4, November Charlie.
I should
Control
show,
copies,
let me
J4H&T.
show you the map here. So they start here, they came down the hill, they turn.
Control
Okay.
54 CEC. Go ahead.
Turn and come this way. So any second they're going to be cutting across.
Go ahead, Chris.
I'm going to come right down over
Be
here.
advised, this year instead of the big van, they're using a four-wheeler as the chase vehicle, which is a whole lot easier to get you around here.
Copy that. Control to all stations. Your chase vehicle this year will be a four-wheeler.
This is my first time volunteering with this.
The red Polaris with 2 firefighters, J04 VIA.
Not a very big event. I think the whole route is 3.5 miles.
A race area in just a moment.
So I'm right here, spot 12. I can see the first runners there now. Well,
Control.
Go ahead, spot 7.
Runner pass.
Copy that, thank you. K4HNT.
10-4 DLM.
oh, he's running in uniform.
Control, spot 8. Go ahead. First runner is just passed. Thank you.
Control, spot 11.
Go ahead.
First runner has passed.
Thank you, K4HNT.
N2 RDT.
I'm going to be next. It won't be long for them to get over here. The guy's really hauling. Some people are actually walking there. There we go. Control, spot 12, first runner's passed.
Control, copy.
Control, spot 5. The runners appear to be past. The walkers are start to come through now.
Thank you, spot 5.
My heart goes so quickly, I can't believe. My heart goes, my heart goes. The things you do that makes my heart sing. My heart and something you say.
Right.
Somehow you make my
Oh, I'll stand this way.
something you do, something you say, make me go, hey, hey, I fall in love with you. My heart goes, ooh, something you do, something you say, make me go, hey, hey, I fall in love with you. My heart goes, fall in love with you. My heart goes,
K04WXI, clear.
So this is good. Most of them are on the sidewalk, so this is good. Don't have much of an issue here. This guy's got a tank on there. See that? Wow. You know, firefighters' uniforms are heavy. And when they get all their gear on, wow, it's crazy.
Control 15.
Go ahead.
First runner just passed.
Thank you. Control, copy.
Spot 4, control.
Go ahead, spot 4.
Chase vehicle through.
Okay, spot 4, chase vehicle is clear. You can secure your station and come back to the Legion.
Spot 4, acknowledges KN4, RVD clear.
You're welcome. Here's a good shot for you right here.
Yeah, that was my husband. That's why I okay. Well,
Oh.
but this is his Good daddy, guys.
Thank you.
Come on, guys, keep up the pace. CC will make us do double.
Control, spot 19.
Go ahead.
First runner passed. KN4 RSC.
See, I'm a people pylon with my arm out. Like people. think they can see and follow everyone else, but sometimes they just go straight.
Spot 5, the last of the
Cheating.
walkers and chase vehicle are passing by now. November Yankee 4, November Charlie. Copy Spot 5. Once the chase vehicle passes you can go ahead and secure that station and come back to the Legion. Control Spot 20. Go ahead, 20. Runner past KD4AN. Thank you, sir. K4AN.
We're not working. Get full gear. Find yourself a middle pacing.
Hey, John, as the first runners pass you, you can actually blast the siren for a second. Sounds like a plan. Kind of an announcement, I like that.
Control Spot 8. Go ahead. First runner is cleared Spot 8 on the way to finish. Control copy. WW4TC is clear.
Yeah, you can go. Just be careful.
Control, this is Station 18. We need a medical assist. There's a runner that's on the ground. Just looks like she can't run anymore. Needs a little help. Copy that, Station 18. Control W4CEC. Who's our contact for that?
Go, Carrie!
They just love the siren.
Control W4CEC.
W4CC.
Station 18 needs some medical assistance there. Who's our contact for that?
Where do you do medical assistance?
At 18. W4CEC. I think she just needs like a golf cart or something. I don't know that she can run anymore. She's standing there.
Somebody that sees the chase vehicle, it's a red golf cart. That would be, I can actually find out where they are by talking to one of the firemen.
Spot 12, the go-kart is here. Oh, there was a runner that she was having a cramp or something. She couldn't walk and run anymore. We had somebody radio in, got to control got a hold. Actually, said that they needed a certain vehicle, and the vehicle was right here, so I called it in and stopped him and let him know where they were. So got a real rapid response there. It must have been under 2 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. So that was pretty good. If you want to do these events, these are not very long. You can just do the walking thing. Not everybody is running. Some of them are walking. So get some fresh air.
Go ahead.
I have runners passing for the second time.
They go and run again.
Thank you.
Yeah, if I was in good shape, I do it more than once. This is great.
John, I'm so glad you're having fun.
Control Spot 8. Go ahead, Spot 8. Chase vehicle is passing all the way to Spot 9. Thank you.
And we win. Oh, do we go this way?
Yep, to the right. Supposed to be directed. There's lines on the road, but not everybody sees it. Maybe they weren't told. There's the chase vehicle.
Yes. There she is. This way. Oh, this way, sorry. And,
Everybody's having so much fun here today. This is a blast. You're welcome. That's a great idea, bringing the radio with them. They get tunes the whole way.
Go ahead. Chase vehicle is passed.
Okay, so I'm almost done.
Control copy. You can secure spot 11 and come back to the Legion as well. N2RDT. K4HNT.
Good lighting here. What's neat about this track of being it kind of stars out and comes back, so if you get tired you can bypass. You don't have to go through that. I only saw a couple people shortcutting it though. Okay. No, you see them, they'll walk they'll walk by. So yeah, maybe next year I'll walk it.
Hey, yeah.
I should walk. And then, do we have any people that were actually walking? You bet? Because we were stationed, but I don't know if we actually had people walking. Do a wrap up. Thanks for watching. Please put a comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you've done this, if you've done the run, what your favorite one is, and we'll do it again next time if we get enough likes. Hit the like button, subscribe.
That would be spot 18, Chris, which was Elm Avenue intersection and Franklin Street.
Took my breath away. The void you left is more than I can bear. I'm waiting for you, waiting here for you, aching for your loving arms. I see your face on strangers in every crowd. It takes so much not to shout your name out loud.